Good morning, class 8 student. This is your math workbook of class 8. We are continuing chapter 7. So, in previous video we have done 7.7. Now we will discuss worksheet 7.8. This is the last worksheet of this chapter. So this is long answer type question and each question have 4 marks. So first is find the smallest number by which each of the following numbers must be multiplied to obtain a perfect cube. So मीन्स अब किस नंबर का मल्टीप्लाई करें स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर का देन ये परफेक्ट क्यूब बन जाए. सो स्टूडेंट टू फाइंड द प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन ऑफ दैट नंबर 243 डिवाइड 3 टाइम्स 81 डिवाइड बाई 3 81 टाइम्स अगेन डिवाइड बाई 3 27 टाइम्स अगेन डिवाइड बाई 3 9 टाइम्स डिवाइड बाई 3 3 टाइम्स डिवाइड बाई 3 1 टाइम. सो नाउ द पेयरिंग ऑफ दिस number of 3 groups. So here's one group is complete and here's one is less to complete pair. So to make perfect cube we multiply by 3. Then after multiply by 3 here's 729. So it is perfect cube of 9. The second part is 256. Now divide by 2 128 times. Again divide by 2 64 times. Divide by 2 32 times. Divide by 2 16 times. Divide by 2 8 times. Divide by 2 4 times. Divide by 2 2 times and divide by 2 1 time. Now again pairing of 3 numbers. So 2 is complete and again 1 is incomplete pair of 2. So to make perfect cube, here is 1 2 digit is left. 2 number is left, so we multiply by 2. So after multiply we got 512. So it is the perfect cube of 8. Question number second, find the smallest number by which 1024 should be. So first we, what is the multiply to obtain a perfect cube and divide it to obtain a perfect cube. So first we find the prime factors of that number 1024. So divide by 2 512 times, again divide by 2 256 times, divide by 2 128 times, divide by 2 64 times, divide by 2 32 times, divide by 2 16 times, divide by 2 8 times, divide by 2 4 times, divide by 2 2 times, divide by 2 1 time. So the factors, one pair, a pairing of 3 the same number. So 1 pair, 2 pair, 3 pair, 2 is left. So student, for A, to make perfect cube multiply by 4, because there is only one digit of 2, so we multiply 2 multiply 2 to make a perfect cube. So it is 4. To make perfect cube divide by 2. If we multiply any number, so multiply by 4 and divide by 2 because here is 2 digit alone. Question number 3. Find the smallest number by which each of the following numbers must be divided to obtain a perfect cube. 128 and 704. So now the prime factor of 128 divided by 264, divided by 232, divided by 216, divided by 2 8, divided by 2 4, divided by 2 2, divided by 2 1. So the factors, one pair is complete of 3 numbers and second is complete and 2 is left. So required smallest number will be 2 divided by 2 to make perfect cube. The second question is 704. Again divide by 2 352 times, divide by 2 176 times, divide by 2 88 times, divide by 2 44 times, divide by 2 22 times, divide by 2 11 times, divide by 11 1 time. So now the pairing of 3 same number. So one pair of 2, second pair of 2 and 11 is left. So we will divide by 11 to make perfect cube. Question number 4 is 68600 68,600 a cube number. If not, find the smallest number by which it must be multiplied to make it a cube number. So student, first we find the factors. So divide by 2 is 34300, again divide by 2 17150, divided by 5 3430, divided by 7 490, divided by 7 70, divided by 2 35, divided by 5 7, divided by 7 1. So now pairing of three same digits, the same three number. So 1 is complete, 7 complete. Now 5 is left. So it is only 2 times of 5, but we need 3 times to make pair. So 68,600 is not perfect cube after multiply by 5. When we multiply by 5 into that number, so it is perfect cube. So we require the smallest number is 5 to make perfect cube. Question number 5. If 53240 means 53,240 is perfect cube. If not, then by which smallest natural number should be divided so that the quadrant is a perfect cube. So student, this is also same with 4 questions. Now the prime factor of that number, divided by 2 26620 times, again divided by 2 13310 times, again divided by 2 6655 times, divided by 5 1331 times, divided by 11 121 times, divided by 11 times, divided by 11 1 time. So now the grouping of 3 same number, 5 and 11 in group, but 5 is left. So this is not a perfect cube. So we will divide by 5 to make the perfect cube. That after divide we got 10,648. So it is the perfect cube of 22. Number 6. Without factorization, find cube root of each of the following cube number through estimation. So 3 2 7 6 8. Now pairing of this number, so this number ending with 8, so its unit digit is 2. Now the 32, it is the less than of cube of 3 because the cube of 3 is 27. 27 is less than 32, so its 10th place is 3. So the perfect cube root of that number is 32. Now the second 571 787. So now pairing 571 and 787. So last digit is 7, so its unit digit is 3. Now number left 571, so it is the less than 8 cube. So 512 and 9 cube 729. So student, we take the any cube number is less than 571. So 512 is less than 71, so 10 digit is 8. So 83 is the cube root of 571 787. Question number 7. Find the cube root of 110592. 1,10,592. So to find the prime factor, first divide by 2 55296 times, again divide by 2 27648 times, divide by 2 13824 times, divide by 2 6912 times, divide by 2 3456 times, divide by 2 1728 times, divide by 2 864 times, divide by 2 432 times, divide by 2 216 times, divide by 2 108 times, divide by 2 54 times, divide by 2 27 times, divide by 3 9 times, divide by 3 3 times, divide by 3 1 times. So a pairing of same 3 times of number 1 2 3 4 5. So the cube root is 48. Question number 8. 2 की पावर 6 multiply 3 की पावर 6 multiply 4 की पावर 3 upon 6 की पावर 6 5 की पावर 3. So this is the factors. This is the two pair of same 3 times of number. So 2 and 2 and 3 की पावर 3 and 3 की पावर 3 4 की पावर 3. So write 3 3 and 4. Yes, 6 की पावर 3 6 की पावर 3 5 की पावर 3. So 6 cancel from 2 3 times, again 6 cancel from 2 3 times, 3 to 3 cancel, so 4 upon 5 is left. Question number 9. So 3 number ratio 2 ratio 3 ratio 4. The sum of their cubes is 33957. Find the number. So student, the given ratio 2, 3, 4. The number are 2x, 3x and 4x. So according to question, 2x cube plus 3x cube plus 4x cube is equal to 33957. So now after cube, 8x cube, 27x cube, 64x cube is equal to that number. So add 99x cube is equal to 33,957. So divide by 99, 343. The cube root of 343 is 7. So number of 2x, 3x and 4x. So 2 multiply 7, 14. 3 multiply 7, 21. 4 multiply 7, 28. So 14, 21 and 28 are number. So student, our worksheet 7.8 also done and chapter 7 also done.